Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix a Nissan Pathfinder trunk latch. Start by gathering tools and a replacement latch so you can work efficiently and avoid repeated trips to the store. I'll walk you through removing the trim and accessing the latch without damaging clips. Follow my step-by-step process for testing the actuator and electrical connections, cleaning and lubricating moving parts, and installing the new latch for reliable trunk operation. Begin by opening the trunk and supporting the lid so it won't fall while you work. Carefully remove interior panels with plastic trim tools to protect clips and paint, keeping screws organized by location. I'll show how to detach the latch cable and actuator connectors step by step and how to spot hidden fasteners. This method reduces frustration and keeps the trim intact for a clean, professional-looking repair. After accessing the latch, test the actuator electrically and manually to determine if replacement is required. I demonstrate safe 12V checks and show how to clean corroded contacts and moving parts for smoother action. When installing the new latch, align mounting holes precisely and tighten fasteners to factory feel to avoid misalignment. Finally, reconnect electrical plugs and test the trunk release and lock cycles several times before putting panels back in place.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.